What is up, you guys?
right?
It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
So I made this wooden sign. This one I also put on a wooden sign. We added this one to a rail, and now we're gonna actually make a rail. These come in a gray color. I spray paint it, did a little spray paint with Rust-Oleum 2X. I wanted this one to be brown so that it would match this cute little everyday calf sign. All right, let's make this little project here. Y'all, you want to make sure that your stickers don't fold over on itself. It's really hard to, y'all, we didn't spray it with water first. Yeah, the vinyl decals are on DecoExchange.com. Y'all, we added a couple hundred items today. All right, so we want to spray it with water first. So that way, if we put our sticker down and it's not correct, we can move it. See how it's touching the plastic, but I can still move it just a little bit? That's what we want. All right, make sure it's good before you start to squeegee it, because once you get all the air out of there, it's not coming off, friends. She's good right there. Let's get our y'all, it also the water should shoot out from between your sticker and your plaque. Also, if you squeegee it with a paper towel, you like skip a step because I'm having to dry it after. Y'all, let's figure out this bottom piece right here. Y'all, we're just gonna use black pipe cleaners because we don't need a really long one. All right, y'all, we're just adding our pipe cleaners. Y'all, I feel like if we did pipe cleaners in every hole, this would be really clustered. So we're gonna try every other and just see how it looks. The rails are on DecoExchange.com. All right, so this is only 5. Let's get our mesh. So let's cut our first 5 at 25 inches. Let's get our ruffles on here. So to do that, y'all, we're gonna curl the edges in a few times. We do that because we want to hide the edges. That's where you get your fray. Once you curl it, you just ruffle it right down the middle. Then we're gonna add one of these to every twist tack. All right, so we're just adding our ruffle all the way around here. Y'all, this is actually really full, just like this, but I still want to get a little bit of a darker color in there. So I am gonna cut some 10-inch pieces. We're gonna cut 2 for each twist. We're gonna roll this up. We're gonna give it a friend. We're gonna roll that up. We're gonna make it into an X. And then we're gonna add that X right into the pipe cleaner. And you can see how that adds just another little pop of color in there. Y'all, you know what? We probably only need to add this to every other one. All right, another little X. Put this one right in the center. So if your decals have writing at the bottom of them, I would do a different technique. All right, now let's make a bow. All right, we're gonna make about a 12-inch tail. Give it a good twist. Let's go with about a 6-inch loop. All right, with this one, we're going to just do a center loop. Gonna take our pipe cleaner, slide our bow off. Give it a good pinch and twist. All right, we're gonna add this right to the center. We're gonna get our bow added. Right there. All right, we can dovetail these. All right, we got our little bow fluffed out. Y'all, now we just want to get these same colors on both sides. So we're going to cut 2 sets of tails. I'm going to put all 3 ribbons in the tail. So let's measure these out at 14 inches. So we're just cutting a 14-inch ribbon tail of all of our ribbon colors. All right, let's get these all dovetailed. All right, so we're gonna add our 2 tails everywhere we added our brown pieces. So we're gonna layer all 3 pieces of our ribbon. Get it folded in half. Get a good pinch, and then add that right into our pipe cleaner. Y'all, once you add that into your pipe cleaner, you can trim it down. Once it's secured in there, make sure you fluff it out. You could add a little bit of florals if you wanted to. I'm not going to add too many because the project is pretty small. All right, and I'm just going to glue these down into the mesh. right? Because the project is so small, we don't want to overdo it with the greenery. You could absolutely add a foam block with some greenery in there if you wanted to. All right, and then there are 2 spots right here for a door hanger. So I'm gonna take a ice pick and I'm gonna go from the front and poke a little hole right through the vinyl decal. And I'm gonna take the extra pipe cleaner from the bow and make a little door hanger. Yeah, that's it.